Hey guys, just a quick update. I've had a few people ask. Just roll with the phone. I've had a few people ask if I've still got disco. I have. It has been parked up for the past 18 months. I went to rescue someone, blew the engine, rebuilt the engine at Side Road because we actually moved house and lost storage for it, workshop wise, garage wise. So it's just been a long slog really. We've managed to shoehorn it into the current garage and we've just been slowly cracking on at weekends. I have found new love for it, so hopefully I will be putting more videos up. I am going to try a new kind of format where I just go live really. Put the camera somewhere where you can see me, go live and just see how that pans out, because there is a lot of editing, there is a lot of work behind it, and there's a lot of setting up stuff when you're trying to make the videos. So I kind of feel like if I set the camera up with a view and just let you guys kind of live along what I'm doing, watch along when I'm doing it, when I'm in garage, I can just click live. I'm in garage most nights kind of thing, so it'll put a bit more content onto the channel. I know I put 2 videos up and then kind of stopped, and I had a few health problems, few family problems, blah blah blah, life got in the way, and I kind of just want to get back on track with it all. If you think that's a good idea, give me a like, comment, share it, whatever you want to do, it all helps. But yeah, we'll hopefully see you soon. I'm in garage at the minute. I was going to set the camera up and have a quick look, which we might do, so be right back.